want to see if carbon dioxide gas from dry ice in the pool will put out a candle. And we're going to use the scientific method to do it. Question: will dry ice sublimation put out a candle? Hypothesis: carbon dioxide, CO2, will replace oxygen. Oh, stopping the flame. Method: 1. Fill pool with water, H2O, to put slide in pool. 3. Set up and light candle. 4. Set up GoPro. 5. Put on safety equipment. 6. Dump dry ice onto slide. Materials: 1. Swimming pool full of water. 2. Slide. 3. Cooler. 4. Dry ice. 5. Candle. 6. Lighter. 7. Gloves. 8. Safety glasses. 9. GoPro 2.
This is our proof of concept.
There you go. Now watch the magic.
Well, it's not really magic.
Okay. Oh, whoa. It's cool, right? And it could do that. I'm glad I chose it. It's good to touch. It's fine. Since you can't touch the dry ice. You can touch the gas, but not the dry ice.
Because it can burn you.
Can we breathe carbon dioxide?
No. You exhale it. Because if you don't breathe, and then you'll pass out like this.
It looks so cool.
Get it? Cool. Get it? Dry ice is cool. Get it?
It's amazing.
My hand is so small. It is cold. This is heavy. I'm handling it like wood.
To protect the pool, we need to drown it.
Really though, it doesn't matter.
Well, we actually kind of need to drown it.
Now my hand was. Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Too much water, but who
It
cares?
doesn't matter. It's supposed to be like that. Okay.
So let's go load the dry ice.
This feels relaxing. It feels easy because you.
Hey, you're not using your muscles at
Now
all.
let me talk.
Okay.
Why are you making me do this, Dad? Get over here. Action. Bucket, it was a solid, but when I poured it in, it's a gas. So it goes from solid to gas.
Is it oxygen?
And is carbon dioxide.
Like, I can't quite see the grass.
It feels warm, but
And the candles have already gone out. Look, it's heading that way and that way. I'm gonna go
heading
in.
over there now.
Over here.
Heading around the tree.
Then it already reached the irises. Our prettiest flower.
And the way I'm going to describe it is, to me, it would pretty much look like clouds. But when it all spread out everywhere, it looked like snow. That's how I would describe it. Got it.
I know I got this, Willow.
Now watch the magic. Okay? So that's
Dump it all.
good job. Whoa. Candles.
Like, if you blow, it makes a little gap.
Try not to.
And it's teal, my favorite color.
It's the favorite color.
Blow again.
Before we started, the pool was 91 degrees. And then we put 2 buckets of dry ice in the pool, and now we're gonna see what the temperature is. Okay. I can't see it. It looks like 80 degrees.
My dad is gonna pour the dry ice into the pool.
Yep. Okay.
Whoa! And then out blow the candles. Just like that.
This is very cool.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of getting to the flowers already.
Yep. So cool.
And it's Star Wars Day.
Look, it's kind of bubbling.
Bubble,
And look at
bubble, bubble.
TVO, the robot.
Oh my gosh. It's covering the parsley.
It's like snow.
Don't you see? It's covering the parsley. And it's covering my toilet.
It's like snow.
Yes. And it's kind of like ocean.
It feels weird. It feels weird though. The reason why dry ice put out the candle is because fire. This is the only way the fire can be like where you can see it. It has heat, oxygen, and fuel. And dry ice has carbon dioxide, and so it replaced oxygen with carbon dioxide. And fire cannot show with carbon dioxide, because if it has carbon dioxide, then it goes out. And yeah.
High five. That's exactly right.
Smells good.